Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Race Car Life. It is Sunday morning now. We are headed off to Vegas. Not for anything in particular, so the only reason I'm actually filming is check this out. We are sitting right at 99,917 miles. Just put a full tank of E85, which we know 357 miles is completely fake. It's about 50% of that, so I'm gonna have to fill up twice on the way there. Don't worry about that little triangle. I just put air in the tires, so as soon as I start moving within 5 minutes, that'll shut right off. It was just a little low. Alright guys, quick pit stop, hopped off the freeway. Gonna put a little bit of 91 in it, get that mix between 85 and 91 to get some more range so I can actually make it out to Vegas, because that'd be nice to not run out of gas like 5 miles before. We are about 180 to 190 miles away from Vegas, and a full tank of E85 gets me 150 to 180, so it would be playing it extremely close, which I don't think is very smart. So we're gonna fill a little bit of 91, get a nice mixture. That way we can up the range, and then we'll be well within range to head out and fill up once we arrive in Vegas. That also means I'm losing like probably 40 to 50 horsepower because I'm going to be running like 50% the ethanol content, but it is what it is. So only 25 miles away. We are at 99,975. And we are back with a full tank of gas. Now, just for some fuel, Starbucks as always. We got the tea, we are good to go. Heading out to Vegas. Alright, the countdown has officially begun. 99,997 miles. 3 more miles to go. And there's 99,998, just 2 more miles to go. The final mile, 99,999 miles. There you have it, boys. 100,000 miles on the dot. Well, there it is. I have effectively killed all value this car would have ever had. I've hit 100,000 miles on a 2010 Nissan GTR full bolt-ons on E85, which is really just goes to show how reliable these motors are, even under immense pressure. I've done a track day in this car. I've done all the proper maintenance. You know, what's funny is in my last video, a lot of people were saying, oh, if you cry about the maintenance costs, maybe you should have gotten a different car. You know, it's really not about the cost. I can more than afford it. It was just kind of funny adding everything up and seeing how expensive it was. We did all the fluids on the car. We double checked all hoses, all pumps. Every moving piece has been double checked and replaced if needed. Hopefully in the next 20 to 25,000 miles, right around 125K, I want to rip out the motor and do a rebuild, kind of preventative measure. Now the question is, do I rebuild it for the same power, or do I rebuild it and go for a 1,000 horsepower build? I honestly don't know what I'm going to do yet. I just know that I'm more than happy with this car, being as it performs so well. It's never having an issue. I have a ton of cargo space. It's comfortable. It's fast. It gets looks everywhere you go. I mean, if you're considering a Nissan GTR and you don't know if it's reliable or not, there you have it. A 2010, a CBA, which everyone says is the worst years to get, the transmission issues, which is totally fake, by the way. So much false information out there. It's really just the transmission tuning that's really bad. So as long as you can update that, there's no issues at all. But there you have it. 100,000 miles. We'll do some celebratory pulls in a highly undisclosed location. Just passed the state line into Vegas. I was going to do a couple of pulls, but there was a CHP following for like 20 or so miles. So I figured we'll keep it at 75 because the actual speed limit is 70 here. So he left me alone. Alright guys, we have safely arrived. This is our hotel room. We're staying in a timeshare, but it's pretty nice. So there it is, 100,000 miles on a 2010 Nissan GTR. Made it to Vegas, no issues. The car is running flawlessly. So any questions, please feel free to let me know. We've done lots of replacements over the time that I've had it. I know the previous owner took really good care of it. If you ever have any questions regarding the mods, regarding what I've done to it, anything, let me know. Be sure to subscribe. I don't post a whole lot, but the truth is I do have a 9-to-5. I'm not like these other guys that do this for a living. You know, I don't have a big stack of cash. But anyway, let me know. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I will continue to drive the car. I will continue to mod it. I don't know how I'm going to rebuild it yet, so we're going to find out. But let me know what you think I should do. Have a good one.